going to the right side.
Right side. Come on, guys.
Hazardous low bridge. Woohoo!
Right side. Come on, guys. Come on.
Woo-hoo! Oh!
Big rock. Right side hard.
Rocks! Rocks!
No one got it.
Oh! Careful! Oh!
Go, Billy, go.
You guys are working.
Okay, now let them backwards. There's a bigger rock.
Bigger rock! Bigger rock!
We're good. I got it.
Oop. All right, we're good. We're good. We're good.
Yeah. Hold it back.
That's what we just escaped from. That's what we just escaped from.
Nice job.
Nice job. Good job, guys. Everybody's still in the boat. That's always good.
Whoa, put that belly away, lady. Jesus.
Oh, jeez. What is that? Should I video that?
No. Nice and calm.
Very good.
Why don't we pull in there and that way we could get out of the boat and, you know, drop it in the water. Is that okay?